Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your mobile signal strength and get faster internet speed. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings app on your phone and scroll down and look for apps there. And then in the search bar, top right hand corner of your screen, search for SIM Toolkit and click into SIM Toolkit, and then scroll down where it says storage, click on clear cache. So go ahead and do that now, and once that is done, go back to your settings on your phone like so, and then on the search bar top right corner of your screen, click into that and then type in data saver. Click into data saver, and where it says data saver, click on data saver and toggle that to off like so. And once that is done, head back to your main screen of settings, and now if you want to click into connections, and then down near the bottom of your screen you'll see mobile networks. Click into that, and then you'll see network mode 4G, 3G, 2G auto connect. Click into that and go ahead and enable 5G, 4G. So now if you're on a 5G network, your phone will connect to 5G for fast internet speeds. And the last step while you're inside mobile networks is click on network operators. Go ahead and disable that. Click on OK. And once the available networks load up, go ahead and click into your network. So I'm with Optus, so I'm going to click on Optus. And then go ahead and click on OK. And there you go, registered on network. So now I'll get a lot faster internet. So that's the end of this video, guys. How to improve mobile signal strength and get fast internet speeds. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.